I guess you are on this video because you are also looking for ways on how you can earn money online efficiently. Well, I can't blame you because the inflation has become so high and everyone seems to be in need of another source of income. Furthermore, working a day-to-day job seems so tiring. You might be earning a lot of money, but the exhaustion and frustration can make someone feel really drained in life. There are also jobs that are very time consuming with a heavy workload. Some even require some form of investment. Thus, it is hard to look for something that you will enjoy while still being a great source of income. Do not worry because you came to the right video. You can turn your life around and make money with zero effort in this video. All you need to have is yourself, a stable internet connection, and a gadget or device. Furthermore, this strategy that I will teach you about requires no investment. It is 100% free and it is available worldwide, meaning you can come from any country and you can still access this method. The requirement is also very easy because you just need to be yourself. You do not need to have any prior experience or technical expertise. Even a beginner can earn money from this method. Thus, make sure to stay until the end of this video to learn everything that you need to learn about this method. A reminder before I share this tip, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the online money machine, and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money-making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. Now, let's get back to the video. The first website that you need to familiarize yourself with is called Answerthepublic.com. Answer the Public is a platform that allows you to discover what people are talking about. Now, you can try to use the search bar on their page to look for some topics, brands, or products. Doing this will generate good results for you. We'll explore the page to make you familiar with it. Basically, you can get instant and a raw search insights from this platform. This is a bot that will allow you to find some pretty interesting topics from people all over the globe. For example, you can try to look for topics and discussions concerning weight loss. You just need to type it in a search bar. Let us type losing belly fat quickly on the search bar and press enter. After that, you will be redirected to another page where you will see various results related to the chosen keywords. Just a reminder, be sure to check the country of origin on your search. Always use the United States as the default country. Thus, you need to modify it if it's set to another country. Now, let us look at the search results. You can scroll down to look for all the answers that this page offers. While scrolling, you will also see this presentation that shows the visualization of the data they have gathered about the topic. It shows the summary of the questions that people have asked about the keywords selected. As you can see, it is quite a lot, meaning people are really interested in this topic as they have created a plethora of questions for it. There are queries about the foods that you can eat to lose belly fats and questions about the signs of losing belly fat. Well, this information is what you will use in order to make tons of money online. Furthermore, you do not need to worry because this money-making strategy will run on autopilot mode, meaning you will still get an income even without doing anything. This is an exciting opportunity to make some passive income. I can assure you that you will not shed a single drop of sweat while doing this method. As you can see, you already have some kind of traffic where you can promote your product or other things. The only thing that you do not have yet is a product to promote. Now, you should head to clickbank.com to find some products to promote. Clickbank.com is an internet platform that offers various trusted e-commerce tools. Aside from that, they have a huge global affiliate marketplace, industry-leading support, and education. The company's goal is to grow with confidence. Thus, they offer various services that can help you build your confidence. The next site that I will tell you about is called writesonic.com. It is a platform that boosts your website SEOs. Aside from that, it will help you generate more traffic to your site. Well, WriteSonic's AI writing assistant will help you make high-quality articles, blog posts, Google Ads, and etc. in just a few seconds. This site has more than 5,000 reviews. Not just that, its rating is a stunning perfect 5. This website is the real deal. All you need to do is to sign up for a free account and access your dashboard. After that, you can proceed to the next website that we will use. This website is called medium.com. All you need to do is to sign up for a free account. It's very easy because you can use your Google account for the sign-up process. The site will allow you to create short blogs about the topic of your choice. For this video, the topic is about losing belly fat. To do this, you just need to click the right icon on the lower left part of the screen. Now, you just need to paste the intro that you chose from WriteSonic. After that, insert a persuading call to action. Once you have done this, you should also paste the affiliate link that you have on it. Now, you already have a blog post that you can share to many people. That's it. Those are the things that you need to do. However, I have one final bonus tip for you. With this tip, you will be able to use 4 websites that will help you increase the amount of money that you can earn. This will help you climb up the social class ladder and finally achieve financial freedom. These sites are called pingomatic.com, pinogmatics.com, pingmyurls.com, and indexkings.com. You just need to read instructions presented on this website to know how to use it. Generally, you will just need to paste the link to your blog on these sites. After that, these websites will blast them through a lot of search engines. When they do this, more people will see your blog. Thus, you can generate more money when a lot of people access them. It is really easy to earn money online, especially with this method. Thus, you should try it out and start your own money-making journey now. Again, this is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.